In this video, I will show you how to subtract a percentage in Microsoft Excel. So you can try this formula, equal sign, then select this cell. Now minus sign and bracket, select same cell. Now multiply symbol. Now select this second cell, divide sign by 100, closing bracket and enter. Now drag and drop. And if you need, so make this format like this. So thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more useful videos.